Okay, now a practical comment on thiol chemistry that doesn't really come up with alcohol chemistry because thiols are different. Showed you in an earlier video, if we had something like RSH and we react it with something like an alkyl halide, so we'll just do an RCl here. We can do this to give ourselves, particularly if we have the ion, the thiol ether. Now, unfortunately, there is another reaction that thiols will do, particularly if we run them in high enough concentrations, and that is that our thiol ethyl here can do a further reaction with the alkyl halide to basically get a tertiary sulfur atom. So this does actually occur. We end up forming these salts with these sulfur ether complexes. Be aware of this when you do synthesis. Particularly with sulfur, you need to be very particular about making sure that you've got stoichiometric amounts of the thiol you plan on reacting with the alkyl halide you plan on reacting. If you run in high concentrations of this sulfur complex, you're going to invariably take your ether and react it with the alkyl halide to form these types of salts. So yeah, it's just kind of like keep your eye out for a situation, understanding that as long as you know, you need to note in terms of your synthetic schemes that you're trying to keep things stoichiometric.